Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Take only what resonates. Bali, hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Unfortunately, hindi ko makukuha lahat ng energy ng Libra sa mundo. Kung hindi ka nakaka-relate, nakaka-resonate, okay lang yon. May mga next readings pa naman tayo. Kung gusto mo magpa-personal reading, Jim Tarot Reader, siya yung available for personal reading. Message mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Ako po available din ako, pero guys, sobrang daming naka-schedule ngayon. So, kaya madalang makapagpa-reading ng general kasi marami pa naka-schedule. So, if you're willing to wait, ayan, astrological reading yung available sa akin. Kung willing ka maghintay, yun, pwede naman. Pero kung hindi, okay lang. Dito ka lang manood, hintay mo na lang makapag-upload ako. Anyway, this is for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Ayan, tsaka marami po akong business ngayon, so medyo, alam nyo naman po, mag-Christmas, maraming ganap. Okay, you don't hear the Four of Swords, so, yeah, you're tired. Nakikita natin, meron ka pa ring bagay na parang, I don't know why, bakit dalawa yung nakuha kong bottom of the deck. So, I will take this as a message. Ayan. Nakikita natin, you are really tired, pagod, or might be may mga nararanasan ka mga health problems ngayon. Or maybe you are stressed, alam mo yun. And some of you could be, thinking about the person that you're dealing with. May mga decision ka ngayon na hindi mo madesisyonan kasi hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin mo, paano mo gagawin yung decision na yun. So, maybe you want someone to help you kung paano gagawin yung decision na yun. Well, Libras are like that. Sorry. Libras are like that, no? Kasi, parang they're indecisive. Yun yung nakapagpatagal sa desisyon ng isang Libra. Yung kailangan kukuha pa ng opinion ng iba or ng sasabihin ng iba, no? And you do have your the Hanged Man or the Hanged One dito sa card na to, sa deck na ito. And this is showing to me as like you're still waiting. Hindi ka makapag-desisyon kasi naghihintay ka pa rin. Maybe with the Page of Cups regarding this person, nakakonect mo. You know what I mean? So, maybe naghihintay ka pa rin sa kanya. And then, you are really tired of waiting with the Nine of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Pwede nasasaktan ka. Nakakaramdam ka ng with the High Priestess. Like, okay, I get this. Yung iba sa inyo kasi, you are dealing with a toxic person. So, parang naghihintay ka and nasasaktan ka kasi iniwan ka na lang basta. Yung iba sa inyo ganun. Yung iba naman sa inyo, this could be a spiritual connection. So, kung hindi mo naman nararamdaman yung spiritual connection, huwag mong kunin yun. Kasi the High Priestess is showing as a spiritual connection. And then, nakakaramdam ka pa rin ng spiritual connection sa taong to. You know what I mean? Anyway, sino tong person na kakonect mo? Pagdating sa love. Sino yung person na kakonect mo pagdating sa love? Take this. Masyadong marami, hindi ko ito kukunin. Four of Cups. Okay, I will take two people. Kasi, yung isa nga is spiritual connection. The other one is hindi naman siya spiritual connection. But rather, a situation in the past na pwedeng nagbigay ng problema sa'yo or hanggang ngayon namomroblema ka because of this past connection. Okay, the Eight of Cups is here and Knight of Pentacles. So this is the spiritual connection. Bottom of the deck, there's this Ten of Wands. I'll also take two bottom of the deck. Kasi, dalawa talagang energy na nakukuha ko eh. Some of you, yung ibang group sa inyo, you're dealing with a soulmate. The other groups, you're dealing with a very manipulative, narcissistic person. Okay, tatapatin kita doon sa part na yun. The Emperor is showing to me as someone na parang mataas ang tingin niya sa sarili niya. This person is, hindi ko nakikita ang sigurado pa siya sa'yo eh. Parang mas nakukuha ko siya as someone na parang wala na akong pakialam sa'yo. Honestly, that is the energy. And wala na siyang pakialam sa'yo, so the Ten of Wands, regarding the responsibility, I feel like ibinigay niya na lahat sa'yo yun. Parang iyong na yan, yung responsibilidad na yan. And then, the other person, yung ibang ang kakonect mo is like a spiritual connection. Nakakita tayo dito with the Eight of Cups. This person is thinking of the future. Tapos sa future na yun, parang gusto pa rin niya mag-offer ng something sa'yo. And it has something to do with money. The Two of Wands is here, so pwedeng nagpaplano pa rin siya ng something in the future between the two of you na may kinalaman sa pera. Alam mo kung saan doon yung kakonect mo eh. Anyway, ano yung emotions ninyo sa isa't isa? Ano yung emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa? Take only what resonates. Wait lang guys, nalaglag yung card. Okay, I'm back. Sorry nga pala kung medyo makalat sa aking background kasi medyo wala pa. Hindi pa ito napaayos tong. And this is the only setup na meron ako ngayon. No? Anyway. Emotions mo. Wait lang. Okay. Pasensya ka na, maraming commercial. Andalan ko na nga lang makapag-reading naman. Ang dami pang commercial. Pagpasensyaan mo na. Diba? Isiningit ko talaga itong reading kasi baka nami-miss nyo na ako. Diba? Anyway, yeah, you discover the Eight of Wands. For some of you, you want to know this person, kung ano yung plano niya, nasa isip niya, etc. And the Two of Wands is here. Emotion mo para sa kanya is that, yung iba sa inyo, especially kung may family kayo na person na to, you're thinking about this person and then yung pamilya ninyo. Like, some of you may children na involved, so yan, niisip mo yung child or yung children. And then you do have the High Priestess para sa inyo na may spiritual connection. You can feel this person spiritually. So, parang gusto yun naman mag-move on sa buhay, makalimutan completely itong person na to. Parang ang hirap kasi spiritually connected ka dun sa tao. Alam mo yun? So, what's with the Emperor and the Four of Cups? Hindi ako natutuwa sa card na lumabas. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa yung toxic and manipulator. Ayan o, the Devil and the Nine of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So, ginagamit niya yung utak niya. The Swords is about the utak and pag-iisip, and this person is using his or her mind para hindi lang ikaw but I feel like lahat nang ima-manipulate niya sa buhay niya, nakikitaan niya na potential yung isang tao. And then nakikita niya kung paano niya magagamit yung taong yun. Ano yung kailangan niyang gawin para ma-manipulate niya yung taong yun. And sometimes, pwedeng yun din yung ginawa niya sa'yo. In the past, pwedeng minanipulate ka niya para mapasunod mo siya or mapasunod ka niya sa mga bagay na papabor para sa kanya. You know what I mean? Pasensyahan mo na yung aking tagyawat. Yeah. Anyway, ano yung emotion ng person na isa? I will take the other person, yung may spiritual connection. Eight of Pentacles, this person nagbibisi-bisihan siya. Queen of Pentacles, focusing sa kanyang stability. The Two of Cups is at the bottom of the deck. Tell me about this. What's with the Two of Cups? The World. This could be a person na in a relationship. The World is showing to me as like, feeling niya ito yung makakapagpakumpleto sa kanya ngayon. Itong Two of Cups, which is relationship na meron siya. But, hindi siya satisfied eh. The Three of Swords is showing to me as a relationship na hindi ako kumpleto siya. Feeling niya kumpleto na siya. Pero feeling niya, hindi siya satisfied. And parang niloloko niya lang sarili niya ngayon. Na parang, this is what I want. Pero definitely, yung subconscious mind niya, alam niyang hindi yun yung gusto niya. So parang, niloloko niya lang sarili niya. Nagpapaka-busy siya just so hindi niya mafokusan yung connection ninyong dalawa. So what will happen in the near future for the both of you? You do have your Two of Wands. Sorry, this is the Three of Wands. Ayan. Ang dami mong plano sa buhay. So nakikita natin na unti-unti mong okay. Dalawa yung energy. Some of you, hindi lahat, alin ka man dito. You still love the person and you're still thinking about the person. You miss the person. Ace of Cups. Like, pwede mo lakuhin yung iba na parang wala ka nang pakialam, nag-move on ka na or what. And you're no longer thinking about the person. Pero mahal mo pa eh. Diba? Honestly, if you are someone who is being manipulated, tapos narcissist yung person mo, nagising ka na sa katotohanan, alam mo na to eh. Huwag mo rin lokohin yung sarili mo with the Magician. Because honestly, you are like, nilaloko mo lang yung sarili mo. Na parang pag bumalik tong taong to, magiging maayos lahat. No. That's not it. Like, ikaw yung tipo ng tao na willing i-accept itong person na to. Lahat ng ginawa niya and flaws niya. And lahat ng pagmamanipulate at kalokohang ginawa niya sa'yo is willing kang i-accept. That is you na willing magpagamit. Because you love the person. And you feel incomplete. Three of Wands, hindi yon number ng Libra. Why? Libras like balance. Libras like at peace lang lahat. And sa nakikita natin sa'yo, you are not in balance and feeling mo pag pumalik tong person na to is mababalik mo yung balance na yon. And you love the person pero you love the person so you don't love yourself enough. Kasi kung mahal mo yung sarili mo, hindi mo mamahalin tong taong to. Hindi mo siya para mahalin. And don't look for love. Just love yourself. Okay. And you do have here the Three of Cups. Yeah, another 3. This is not good. You still want reconciliation. Hanggang kailan mo hintayin yung taong niloko ka na minsan? Ginamit ka na minsan? Diba? Nagkakos lang siya ng stress mo eh. Kasi mahal mo. Mahal ka ba? You have to be realistic ngayon. Kasi huwag mo lokohin yung sarili mo. Ngayon, hinahayaan mo kasing lokohin ka ng taong to. Ngayon, niloloko mo rin sarili mo. Diba? Wala ko na nagsasabi sa'yo. 8 of Swords is here. You are stuck. And you will be stuck sa kakahintay dito sa taong walang kwenta. Tell me about this. Sa person ng mga narcissist person. Future, you do have the Empress. The Empress is someone na nagmamahal sa sarili niya and that is your person. Mahal niya sarili niya. Hindi ka niya mahal. Yan, sabi ka, tatapatin na kita. Kasi nagsimula siya sa The Emperor eh. So, wala siyang ibang inisip kundi sarili niya. Tapos nag-end siya sa Empress. Wala siyang ibang inisip kundi sarili niya. Ang mahal niya, sarili niya. Hindi ka niya mahal. Huwag ka na magpakatanga. Yeah. 7 of Swords. Iwan mo, layuan mo yung taong to. Kasi gulo lang yung hinahanap mo eh. 5 of Wands. Diba? Kaya gigi ang size ng buhay mo, tahimik. Feeling mo lang may kulang. Hindi ang pagbabalik niya makakapag-heal sa'yo. So anyway, doon tayo sa mga spiritual connection. I like this. Why? Kasi I like this because in the future, you have the Moon, the 9 of Cups. Hindi ko to na-read kanina, no? I don't know, it feels like hindi ko siya na-read, so i-read ko siya ulit. You have a lot of options. Nakikita natin with the Moon. You have already overcome and accepted your shadow side. And you are a very spiritual person. So in the future, nakikita natin, you are being whole. Maybe, yung iba sa inyo, ilang beses mong tinry maging sun noon. So, what do I mean by that? Yung iba sa inyo, tinry mong maging katulad ng iba. But then, hindi ka talaga sila eh. Alam mo yun. And then, you have learned how to be you. Be unique. And dahil natutunan mong maging unique, i-accept yung shadow side mo, you are becoming this whole person, and I can see that there's a lot of money, success, stability in the future for you. Nagets mo yun? Nakita mo yun? Para dun sa ibang nakikrave pa rin dun sa narcissist person nila. This is what will happen to you kung ang minahal mo sarili mo at inaccept mo na yung mga bagay na wala sa'yo, hindi para sa'yo yun. And this is what is happening doon sa ibang Libra. They are learning how to accept itong mga taong, mga bagay, sitwasyon na wala sa kanila. And nagkakaroon sila ng stability and money. Of course, when you think about positive stuff, ang mamamanifest mo rin or mababalik sa'yo is positive din. So you have to do that. Concentrate on positivity. Diba? Alam mo kung saan ka dun eh. Pero wait lang. Naayos ko yung damit ko. Pasensya ka na kasi, ko-cover ko na lang. Minsan hindi ko na napapansin. Anyway, ano ang future para doon sa near future para naman doon sa person mo na soulmate connection? Oh, wow. I don't know why this is happening to this person. The Sun is here. 10 of Wands. I want to clarify the 10 of Wands. Alam mo parehong 10 yun 10 of Pentacles sa'yo, 10 of Wands. Para sa person mo, Queen of Swords. Something is going to change here with the Wheel of Fortune. So, may changes tayong nakikita. The Lovers is here. The Fool. Okay. I get this now. Ito nakikita natin ito. I mean, are you dealing with someone who is already in a relationship or may connection which is very toxic? Kasi nakikita natin yung toxicity dito sa person na kakonect mo is nandun sa person na kakonect niya. And then the person here with the Queen of Swords is cutting off yung person na yon kasi toxic eh. Like, pareho kayo. There's completion. With the Ten of Pentacles. Tapos sa kanya, Ten of Wands. And yung Ten of Wands is feeling like parang ako na lang lagi, ako na lahat. Parang gusto ko nang bitawan kasi tinry kong ayusin, I mean, I didn't see this person letting go. Pero may hangganan kasi ang lahat. So, nakikita natin yung big change pagdating sa, nakakita ko ng changes pagdating sa relationship nila. Well, it's like the lovers, this is their relationship. Pero nakikita natin ito as like parang, you see these two person, hindi sila magkahawak ng kamay eh. This like, ang feeling is para silang nagbitaw ng kamay. So, it's like, I don't want this anymore. Ayoko na. Especially the Tower is here. Ace of Swords. And then the Six of Swords. Six of Swords is like an energy of moving on. Letting go of what no longer serves me. And ito yung nangyayari dito. Because the other person is very toxic. Like yung kakonect niya. So I can see this as a letting go of the connection. And I don't feel like nag-a-assume ka naman. Hindi ko naman din nakikita sa'yo na naghihintay ka na once na nag-let go siya sa relationship niya is nandyan ka, nakaabang ka na parang kang vulture. Alam mo yun? Hindi ko naman nararamdaman sa energy mo yun. What I feel like is that you're being the person na nagfo-focus sa finances mo, career mo, sarili mo, and you're staying positive and you don't care. I-end nila kung i-end nila. I don't care. Ayun lang. So, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.